All right, we are week 12, day 2, DLR. So, it says, the invention that is the more famous is the wheel. I see spelling errors. I see superlative and comparative mistake. So, what do we have? It says, the invention that is the more famous is the wheel. Well, what do we got here? Yeah, Eden.
More should be most.
Yes, the invention that is the most. So let's get rid of that. More would be comparative. Most is superlative, right? So the invention that is the most famous is the wheel. Maisie.
Wheel should be WHEEL.
That is correct. WHEEL, right? We're still keeping this. So, invention. That's spelled right. The invention that is the most famous is the wheel. Yeah, it looks like only those. So, what do? When we edit stuff, we do what? We read, edit, write. And even though there were only 2 corrections, I read that a bunch of times. So, it looks like 1, 2 corrections for number 1, right? All right, so 2 corrections for this. Oh boy. The telephone, car, and electric light bulb was also important inventions. All right. Well, I see something that we need grammatically. The telephone, car, and electric light bulb was also important inventions. What do we need there to break that up a little? Mike. Was, should be, were. That's correct. What else?
Telephone should be spelled TELPHON.
All right, so the telephone, we need comma, car, comma, and electric light bulb, right? We're also, and I see another spelling error. Zoe.
Invention. Wait, no, not invention. Important should be spelled IMPORTANT.
That's correct. The telephone, car, and electric light bulb were also important inventions. I think that's it. So for this one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corrections. All right. Now, 2 dots are is. Create is 2, right? So create is 2. Creative, and the 4 dots is as. As invent is 2. So create is 2. Creative, as invent is to everyone? Inventive. Inventive, yeah.
What now? I thought it was invention.
No. Look, inventive. Look, create is to creative, as invent is to inventive. Right? See it? It's an analogy. All right, very good. Use context clues to figure out the meaning of the bold word. Then write the meaning on the line. So we're going to look for clues. Here's the bold word right here. Let's look for clues. So unique is the word we're trying to figure out. There is nothing else like the pet rock, and that makes it unique. So what do you think unique means? Nothing like it. It's right in the sentence. Right? Nothing like it. All right. Well, there you have it. That is our week 12, day 2, DLR. Tadero.